In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user journey map in Miro. By the end, you'll have a clear visual of the steps your users take from first contact to success, and you'll know exactly how to set it up so it's easy to update and share. We'll start by creating a new board. When you open Miro, choose to start a fresh board if you want a clean space, or open an existing board if you already have a project where this map fits. Give the board a meaningful name so it's easy to find later, and take a second to adjust your zoom so you're comfortable navigating the canvas. Miro's infinite canvas means you can't run out of room, so don't worry about size. You can always pan around as your map grows. Next, use a template to speed things up. Open the templates library, type user journey map into the search bar, and select the template that fits your needs. Miro offers several variations, but they all include a structured layout with columns for stages and rows for details. Click to insert it onto your board. Once it's placed, center it on your screen and scale it so you can see the full flow without squinting. If the template includes example text, skim it to understand the structure, then plan to replace those placeholders with your own content. Now, define the journey stages. Start by identifying where the journey begins and where it should end. That could be moving from initial awareness to product adoption, or from sign up to first value, whatever makes sense for your context. Rename the column headers right inside the template to match your flow, using clear action-oriented labels such as awareness, consideration, onboarding, use, and support. Keep the number of stages manageable. 5 to 7 is usually enough to show progression without overwhelming viewers. Reorder columns by dragging them if the sequence needs to change, and make sure each stage captures a distinct phase rather than a single task. As you refine the labels, check that the handoff from one stage to the next feels logical, with a clear trigger moving the user forward. If a stage feels too big, split it. If two are redundant, merge them. The goal is a simple, accurate walkthrough that anyone on your team can understand at a glance. That's it. You've created a board, applied a user journey template, and defined the stages that frame your map. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you build yours.